Hey, this is Eric with D'Artagnan Foods. I'm on the e-commerce team. What you're looking at right here is our USA raised domestic beef brisket flat. I'm just gonna take a little bit off right in this section. There's a little bit to lose. And then also right down here, I'm gonna trim a little bit of that back. Now it's time for some salt and pepper. So here we are. My pit is just coming up to temperature, and in the next video, I'm gonna put it on the grill. At this point, the brisket is on the grill. Got a lot of smoke coming. What's great about this is that I'm starting at 11:15 Eastern, and this will definitely be ready by dinner time. Okay, we are back at the pit, about 3 hours in. I'm using Kingsford competition charcoal, which is different from the regular charcoal. So here we are, we're back, and this is it. And there we go. Great looking color. Now when you slice a brisket, you always want to go against the grain. I can see that the grain is running. I tend to just do one slice in the middle. Yep, you can see that that's going against the grain. Nice and juicy. And I'm going to slice it and serve it. There we have it.